Grace and peace. I'm Minister Jackie, and this is what's going on at the Powerhouse. We followed our bishop on live stream and watched as he ministered at United Covenant Churches of Christ in Baltimore, Maryland.
But shake your neighbor and say, neighbor, I rebuke frustration in the name of Jesus. You're going to do ministry without stress.
Then we watched him live from Jamaica, New York, as he led worship, prophesied, and preached at Greater Allen Cathedral's worship conference.
But when all hell is broken loose, find your best dress, find your best wig, sit on top of your head, walk down the aisle and say, I'm going through, but I'm going to give him praise until he turns this thing around.
Finally, we all had the chance to go with our bishop to Truth and Deliverance International Ministries annual crusade on the west side of Chicago.
But after this, I still got this. Somebody got laid off your job, but after this, I still have faith.
I know some of you missed Bishop on live stream and probably didn't get a chance to go with him to the tent crusade, but don't worry. Here's your chance to follow the bishop. Here are his upcoming dates. Thursday, August 7th, God's House of All Nations, 8409 South Stony Island Avenue at 7:30 p.m. Sunday, August 17th, Word of Knowledge Church, 11743 South Michigan at 4 o'clock p.m. Thursday, August 21st, New Friendship Church, 3620 West 139th Street in Robbins, Illinois at 7 p.m. Sunday, August 24th, Abundant Blessings Church, 6907 South Halsted at 6 p.m. Come on out to Bible study every Tuesday at 12 noon and 7 p.m. And starting the month of August, Bishop will be doing a series on spiritual protocol. Our bishop has decreed that Thursday night prayer will be the largest attended service at Prayer and Faith. Make plans to come out for your 1-hour weekly power boost. And don't be selfish. Bring a family member, a co-worker, a friend, and guess what? Even your frenemy to this power-packed hour of prayer. On Monday, August 11th, the seniors will be traveling to Springfield, Illinois to attend the State Fair. The bus will be leaving PFOM at 7 a.m. and will depart from the State Fair at 4 p.m. The cost is only $25, and guess what? Transportation is included. Please visit Guest Services for more information. Friday, August 15th, what you gonna be doing, huh? You coming to the Young Adult Ministries 80s, 90s game night from 7 to 9 p.m. right here at the Powerhouse. Look, check this out. You gonna come in your 80s, 90s outfit, right? You gonna come and turn up with the young adults? Woo woo! Check out Guest Services for more details. We wanna see you in the place. Attention all children, teenagers, and youth. It's time now for our Build Up Conference taking place Friday, August 29th through Sunday, August 31st. This Power Pack Conference includes gospel skating, interactive workshops, some dynamic speakers from our own Pastor Robert Phillips, Minister Delisa Flanagan, Minister Kenneth Knoll, and our special guest artist for Friday night is Buster Woods and G3. This all-access build-up pass is only $20. Visit us at Guest Services today for more information. Hey, don't forget to invite someone to church. Our service times are listed below. Hey, don't forget to check us out on social media and on the web. To all of our guests, let us know how you heard about us. If you have a special prayer request or if you just would like any additional information about our church or our ministries, we would love to meet you and answer any questions you may have. Now, everybody, let's do what we came to do and worship the Lord together.